Just can you share it? Let's see what's going on. Okay, so now we can see. Right, let's play it. Pute. Okay. Don't talk to strangers. Yes, then Red Riding Hood is going to the jungle, and you can see. Okay. Then the conversation between the fox and Red Riding Hood.
Wait, so
Okay.
it's the part.
Okay, after that, fox is moving. Then
Now see this part.
this is grandma's house. Okay.
So if
Then here you cannot see the fox, right? Is that Yutika?
yes,
Okay. So what you can do, Pute? So you can do something like this. So can you give me the remote control? Okay. Now what you can do is, so there's
here's the fox. It doesn't count very well.
Right. No need to drag. Don't do that. That's wrong. It's wrong way. We have to code and tell.
Okay, so
Okay. That is
so how
wrong
should we
because
do that?
okay, so let's say this is your one or this hiding and showing part of hiding, and after 75 seconds showing and wait, and after that. Okay, here, so you can do something.
This is grandma's one.
Yes, in grandma's one. So please go there and again get the fox, another fox. Not the same. So let's take another fox. Right? Then this is actually fox 2. Fox 1, there are now 2. Actually, you have dragged one, right? I'm not sure whether the drag one, the other one. Okay, let's go there. And here actually, so this one you should show. This one you should show after 75 seconds, 10 seconds, 10 seconds means 95 seconds. After 95 seconds, this fox you need to show. Oh, sorry. Something went wrong. Okay, can you go? Okay, right there. So here actually, when you click on the start, right? When you click on the start, flag click, and you have to hide this flock, hide this one. No need to get the same frog because you don't know, yes, or the viewer or the person who view, they don't know whether that's the same fox or different one. And then after 95 seconds or 90 seconds, let's make the second one appear in the stream. From the looks, I'm showing it. Okay, hiding, and after that I'm showing, and even the position I can set. So let's say go to I'll keep it here 17195. -171 and -95. Okay, let's see whether it's appearing. So let's play from the beginning. Okay, so I think the conversation is going on between the fox and Red Riding Hood. Actually, instead of wolf, we have taken fox, right? Because we couldn't find wolf there in the animals. Therefore, that's why we found fox. Okay, it's moving. And then here comes grandma. Okay. And the fox. Okay, now you can see. Ritika, are you okay with that?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now you can complete this, right? So try to complete this part now. Okay, now Tenita, and I would like to see.
Can I complete it now?
Yeah, you can complete. Yenula and Tenita. So what about your progress, Pute? Can you show your one? Yenula. Both of you can do, right? So first let's see Yenula's one. Then let's see Yutika's one. This is Yenula, right? Then let's see the Tenita's one, right? So let's say, okay, play it, Pute. Let's play it and see. Shall we play it again? So it's not working, is it? Right. I think you can see my document in the desktop. So in my actually window. So this is about video sensing. So video sensing is a new feature in Stratch. So where you can turn on the web camera. So similar to what you are doing now, and see yourself or something in the stage in Stratch, right? So let me open Stratch. And in this one, first let me turn on the video camera, so that can be done. You have to go to the control, events, and then when flag clicks, and then sensing, and sorry, not in the sensing part. I think you have to block. I get that as import, similar to the keyboard. Here, when you have to click this extension or add module button. From choose an extension, please select video sensing. 1, 2, 3, third one, video sensing. Okay, the first thing is you can see myself now in the video camera. Can you see? Right, that's it. You can see myself in the video camera sensing mode. Right, that is the first thing. Right. So please go and turn on the video sensing quickly. Please turn on the video sensing and see whether you can see yourself in the camera. You have to add this extension and then the video sensing. You should see yourself, but only like this is like partial. So not fully. If you want to fully set the transparency, go to the set transparency, and there you can set the transparency to 0. Then, so when you click the flag, so you can see it's clearly visible. When you click the flag, your face is clearly visible. Can you see? I think you have to turn off zoom camera. You have to turn off the zoom camera, right? Okay. Otherwise, you will not be able to see that because 2 applications are using that now. Please close the zoom camera, stop the zoom camera, then you can see this one. And if you set the video transparency to 100, set the video transparency 100, then your face will be like completely, it will be white color. So if you set to 90%, you can see slightly 90%. So let's say 70%. 70%, sorry, 70%. Click the flag and you can see more. And then 40%. So more than the previous time. So likewise, so the 10%, it's little more. And finally the 0%, fully you can see yourself. Likewise, you can change the video transparency. Okay. That is number 2. So turn video on and then set the video transparency to, okay, here you can say turn video on, set the video transparency. If you turn video off, then you cannot see that. And maybe you can turn on only after some time. Let's turn on. Now you can see. Actually, now I want to move the cat. Just move the cat. Okay? I want to drag the cat and move it. So I'm trying to do that. So it'll be a little interesting thing. So I just want to sense my hand and then I'm moving the cat. Okay. Then, right. Okay, here, when to check that I'm using this, let me turn off the video again. Okay, here, this is the guide. So you can check video motion on sprite is greater than some value to detect the video motion. Okay, I'm using if control. If control, then from video sensing, here, video motion on, so I'm using operation here, then video motion of sprite greater than 20. That means I'm moving. And then you can say, if you touch a certain color, right? If you touch a certain color, that means, so inside this, if there's a motion, and if you touch the color, again, another if, I'm going to the control, another if from looks, sorry, from sensing, touching color, so let's say, I'm going to pick the color of cat. Let's pick the color of cat. Touching color orange, or you can say touching the cat. If touching so let's use the color one. If touching the color, the yellow color of the cat, I'm going to tell maybe from the sounds, from sound, start sound meow. Okay, let's see. Turn the video on. Let's try to do this. Still, I'm not touching the color. Oh, no. If video motion, let's say, if video motion, so without touching the color, I'm using this. If my video is moving, still not sensing a motion on stage, right? So let me play. No, I'm not getting the sound. Video motion on stage is greater than, let's say, 10. Yes. Now I saw the color. Okay, let's see. Change this to off again. If video motion on stage, okay, this is correct. If video motion of stage is, let's try this today. So let's try this. Start sound here. This you have to do forever. Sorry, my mistake. Need to do this forever. Forever. So if video motion state greater than 30, so cannot feel that because camera is off. Camera on. Right. Continuous meow. So let's increase this to maybe 100. 100. Okay. Now you can see cat is kind of shouting. And let's touch the color and also see that also from the control. If from operations, sorry, sensing, touching the color. So let's touch the color yellow. If touching the color yellow, and video motion is 30, and touching the color yellow, then let's play meow. Okay, I'm moving the hand here, but no sound. So let's go and touch the cat. Fine. Catch it. Seems the color is not sensed. No. How can I touching the color this without using that touching? Edge. So let's try this. No. Touching the edge, still not. So let's use this one, Puti. First, only this one. 2 minutes. This need to be 100 at least. Okay, it's working. So let's try this, Puti. You can see the code in the stage. Please try that. Yes.
Sir, if I did that same thing, but it won't work. I didn't do the whole coding, but I put flag, click, turn video on, and set video to transformation to 0.
Transparency to 0. Okay. Then.
But it won't on the video. Even if I click one time.
Okay. So share it, Pute. Please share it. I'll check.
See?
Okay.
Recording.
The thing is that you have previously using that webcam, no? Okay, let's take a new one. Let's take a new one. No, just reload the. All right, okay, that is also okay. Okay, now then take this one. Video sensing, right?
Video sense.
Now play it.
No, it won't come.
Set transparency to 50%. Now?
To 0.
Okay, 0.
It won't come, sir.
Not appearing. Okay, close the browser and take it again. Pute. Close the web browser, take it
Yes,
again.
sir.
I think you have closed the webcam, right? Already?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And take it again from the beginning. Shall we use Google Chrome? Google Chrome browser. Okay, open it again, Pute. Sticker. Shall you open this again? Can you hear me? Yenula, are you getting that? Okay, take the video sense input. All right, now you are getting it, right? Now, okay, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, but how to make it clear?
You have to set
Clear how to make it.
set transparency to 0 because earlier it was like using by Zoom. So maybe now only the camera is released.
No, okay, sir.
Now okay, right? Okay. Now you can try the code. I think Tenita and Tenita's brother, Tenita and Yenula. Are you okay? Tenita, Yenula, are you okay?
Yeah, it doesn't.
Sorry. This is the code, right? This is the code that you have to try. Right, okay. Both of you and your brother both are appearing there, right? Okay, is it generating the sound? When you move, is it generating a sound? Just move the hand. Just move the hand and see. Oh, okay. Don't move the cat, just move the hand over the webcam. Okay, is it shouting? I think, right? Okay.
I keep off.
Pute, I think your microphone is off.
Sir,
I think your microphone is off.
sir, I owned it.
Cannot hear you, Pute. Your microphone is off, Yutika. Okay. So now you know how do we how do we move an object. So likewise, so how to show the webcam and webcam based response. How to get a webcam based response that you know, right? Okay. Then So let me add small thing. To this, right? So let's sense in color, actually. Sense in color in, how do we sense in a color? Using stretch. We have tried that, but it was not working. So let's remove this one and just try this without the motion detection. Shall we use the color detection? From control, I'm using if, then from sensing until touching the color, then I'm giving the color, this one. Okay, then maybe a sound, meow. So let's try this again. When I have to turn on the video. When I play the flag, when I click the flag, you can see the camera and sound. No, it seems not showing that color touching. No, so that color touching is not shown. Okay, let's use something else in the sensing. Touching edge is there, touching mouse pointer is not there. From here, video motion on sprite. Okay, so let's use this one. Video motion on sprite. Right? Video, not video motion on stage. Video motion on sprite. So that is another one. So that means when you move your hand here, when you move your hand, nothing will happen. But when you move your hand here, it will be detected. So let's put 30. And now see, here if I move the hand, nothing will happen. But here, here nothing. But here, it will be sensed. Okay, I can do something. I can move the cat away from me. When I touch the cat, okay, shouting, without shouting, I can move the cat away. So that can be done. Motion, and I can glide the cat to a random position. When I touch it, oh, moving, touch it, moving, touch it, moving, touch it, moving. I'm touching, moving. Okay, likewise, when I touch, I can move the cat. Hey, where are you going? Come on, come on. Now cat is interactive, right? So you can see cat is bit interactive, right? You can use this in game development. Okay, you can see you can use this in game development. When video motion on sprite, and then you can move the cat. But it should be some big movement, right? Then only it's moving. So small movement like this, no, nothing. But a fast movement, yes. Right? You can try this one as well. Right? You can try to do this one too. Okay, you can copy the code now. Only thing here you have to change this one, Buddha, right? Only video motion on sprite. Then glide 1 second to a random position. Glide 1 second to a random position. Okay, you can do this with a fly or butterfly or some other animal or with a ball, right? You can just try to do that. Video sensing. Okay, so I think that's it. We have discussed everything related to the stretch from the beginning. We did 1 game, actually, sorry, 3 games. Also, we have discussed storytelling, music video animation and also virtualize virtual piano, right? We did a lot with this. Right now, it's up to you. You have to, what you have to do now? You have to